Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, baby!
Oh, yeah.
Boys and gentlemen, ladies and girls.
Chef and Chefettes. How about that?
That's your part. That was your part. Guys, today we are trying the best roti and curry in the world. Guys, I am so flipped. Oh, I spit it. Sorry.
Thank God it's on your plate.
I go spit over there.
You better not.
Guys, y'all see the spread? We are trying the best roti and curry in the world. Would you agree?
Yes.
I definitely would agree. You know why it's the best in the world? Because my honey made it.
Really, nigga?
Oh my God. I'm so excited. Guys, it's one of my favorite dishes.
No, it really is. He wish he
Okay, you don't have to co-sign it.
But it is.
They heard
you
me.
want it all the time.
They heard me.
Alright.
You don't have to co-sign.
Okay.
You don't. Guys, pull up a seat. Get a bib of. Yo, guys, we're sharing. Sharing is caring.
I'm surprised you're sharing your favorite meal.
I'm sharing your plate. I wasn't sharing mine.
I'm not sharing my food.
Ooh, let's jump right in.
Right.
We sharing your food. We're not sharing ours.
Totally.
Guys, there's more. There's more in the kitchen.
Heavenly Father, we want to thank you for. You said we jumping right in.
Okay.
Sorry, my bad. Nah, we can wait.
Okay. No, go ahead. Say grace, and then you can tell them what we have, what you made, and how you made it.
Grace.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
All right.
Oh.
I'm just joking.
All right, let's go. So tell them what we got on our plate. Grace, since you did one of those, tell them what you got on. Tell them what we got on our plate.
We have some roti, we have some channa and aloo, and we have Chef Trini's favorite
curry beef. Guys, we will show you how to make each and every single thing on this plate. It will be in the description. And Chef Sam, give us a quick rundown. Give him a quick rundown. Tell him how you made it.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
I washed the beef. I washed the beef. I made the curry paste. I chopped up some onions and some garlic and some shadow benny and a hot pepper, and I will use our Trini green seasoning. Season the meat. Put it in a pot. That's just for the beef. Okay. For the potatoes, we chopped the potatoes. I washed the channa. You told me it's not like
keep telling
it's not like you do it.
It's not easy. It's a lot of work.
It's just a lot of steps.
A lot of work.
That's
so
all.
you want me to just drop some clips
Please,
and
just drop the clips.
show them how to make it?
Please.
Guys, the links will be in the description how to make everything on our plate. Guys, this right here is a very popular West Indian dish. Trinidadians, Guyanese, they know about the curry and roti. They know.
They know about the chubby too?
Oh, yeah, I see the chubby? Yeah, I see the chubby. You gotta have a red drink. I would say solo, but this isn't solo. So we got chubbies. You gotta have a red drink.
Why it has to be red?
Because it just goes good.
Why can't you have a cola champagne or cream soda? Why it gotta be red?
And that's why I use Puerto Rican.
But who made this food though? Who made the world's best curry
guys,
that
when you have
love?
a roti, you have to have a red solo. We ain't got this red solo, so we got the red chubby. You have to. She about to pull out a knife and fork right now to eat this roti.
No. Oh, no.
No, I'm not.
But guys, like I was saying,
You disrespected me.
like I was saying,
don't disrespect.
this is a very popular West Indian dish. Guyanese and Trinidad people, they love it. In our neighborhood, there's so many restaurants. I'll even drop a clip because we did go to a few restaurants that make this dish. But guys, try it. If you never had roti, try it.
It's really good. And it's so filling.
It is. So we said grace.
Let's eat.
Guys, and you eat it with your hands. You eat it with your hands. You do not eat roti with a knife and fork.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So that's it. That's all I gotta say. Let's dig in. Chef Sam.
Yes.
I hope this tastes good.
What you mean you hope it tastes good?
So this is the roti. And you dip the roti. You dip it. I hope it tastes good because you made it.
Yeah, drop the clips of me making it. Or go see the live that he posted while I was looking crazy making this.
Oh, you gotta follow us on Instagram for that. You have to follow us. Yo, go for it. Instagram will be in the description.
Don't even give me a heads up. That comes from out of nowhere.
You see how I'm eating it? You rip a piece of the roti off, dip it in the curry. Guys, and for curry, you can have curry beef, curry chicken, curry goat, curry duck, curry shrimp, curry crab.
Blue crab though.
Curry wild meat. You curry anything. Curry a big toe if you wanted to.
Let's come here. Shut your stupid ass up.
I ain't eating that shit.
You wasn't saying that last night.
I ain't eat your big toe.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Man.
Shut the hell up. No, I did not eat your
My
big toe.
big toe's still sore.
OMG. It's not. That's not the toe from your foot.
I wasn't talking about that toe.
You're so nasty.
Yeah.
Guys, what is some of your favorite West Indian dishes?
This got flavor.
It's called love.
But that's what that is. That's
You
love.
like it? You like it, alright?
I ain't say all that, but ooh, man, they got a little kick too. A little spice. I was just gonna say we forgot to bring the hot sauce, but you don't need no hot sauce, man. She put her foot in this.
I did.
Woo!
This wasn't eating this, you so.
Woo! I didn't even try the beef yet. I'm still eating the aloo and Channa.
I'm gonna let you know that this Channa right here is organic.
Oh, it's organic?
I mean, the chickpeas.
It's organic?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so they grew this in that expensive soil. That expensive dirt.
Yep.
Nice. You guys be having organic chickpeas.
It really is.
Mm-hmm. It really is.
I should have taken a picture.
I believe you.
Tell you.
You're telling us.
Okay, okay.
I can't stand you either. Woo! Nah, man. This is bussin'.
What is your favorite dish? Whether it's West Indian, Hispanic,
Word. Have you tried this before?
American.
Comment
What do y'all
below.
like to eat? Yeah, comment below. Let us know. Send us a link or something of how we can make it. Or tell us what you want to see us make.
Let us know if you ever tried roti before too, and if you plan on it. 'Cause this is bussin'.
Yeah, I like fried bacon shark.
Woo! It's got some big kick.
His mom makes me fried bacon shark on Fridays.
Hi, Mom.
Every day. And then every other Saturday, she makes me soup.
You know she's watching. Hope she'll make it for you.
You word?
Put her on blast like that.
I give them her address. They ain't gonna eat my share. Shoot.
You was about to.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, I see that. Damn, we ain't do a thumbnail. Shit. Sam, do a thumbnail. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Those were the worst thumbnails ever.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
Worst thumbnails ever. Always forgetting.
I'm gonna say lately, you always forget to do a mukbang. You
A
always.
mukbang? You mean a thumbnail?
Yeah, whatever.
Oh no, she didn't! Oh!
You are hurry for curry. You always.
Don't yeah, whatever me.
You hurry for curry all the time.
Don't yeah.
And you always.
Don't listen. Don't yeah, whatever me.
Anyways, you hurry for curry.
Don't anyways me either.
Why you cock your head back like that?
You over here trying to play me anyways.
I'm trying to tell you something.
Anyways.
Don't anyways me.
Oh.
What sound like?
Excuse you.
Yeah. You made me forget what I was gonna say.
Yo, I'm full already. What the hell?
What you
You put MSG in this?
That's done.
I'm full.
That's your stop your shit.
Food. Not really full. What the hell?
That sucks. No, you know what the problem is? You big eye and you always put a lot of food in your plate.
But you said it. Ain't making no sense. You shared the food.
You got some in your beer.
I can see.
Oh.
Oh man, I'm gonna be full.
That's insane.
I just said that.
That's not normal. You feel okay?
I'm full. This is really good. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10.
Oh my goodness.
This is one of your best recipes ever.
Really? What's my second best? Lasagna?
Hot dogs.
I don't even make hot dogs.
Yeah, you do. You always make hot dogs.
Stop.
You know how you be like frying them before you boil them?
I don't ever do that.
Yes, you do. Why you trying to lie on camera?
Fry before you boil it?
Yeah, bro, you be like shaking. You be standing over the stove, rolling the pot and shaking the hot
First
dogs.
of all, I
in
boil
water.
you my hot dogs first.
No, you don't, bro. You be over there like this. She be over there making the hot dogs like this. She got a frying pan with like
I boil them first.
a little water and oil, and she be like this. Shh. Comment below if y'all make your hot dogs like that. And she be shaking the pot and had the hot dogs running around.
I boil my hot dogs first, always. What kind of hot dogs I buy?
Look at my face. Is this the face of a liar?
Yeah. You got
Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
You still got food in your beard though. I'm trying to help you.
I save it for later.
You disgusting. All this food, you're gonna have all this food because you can't eat.
Bro, I'm already full. Anyways, back to you, Miss Frying your hot dogs.
I don't know.
She be frying the hot dogs. Don't boil it.
You know what he make? Chow mein is good.
Bro, we have a video. I think they seen it.
And stuffed shells, but he be mad lazy.
Another video.
He hasn't made stuffed shells in like...
There's videos. I can put those in the description too. There's videos.
If you scroll back to when we
They're
dropped
lazy.
those... Listen, if you scroll back to when we dropped those, that was the last time he made them.
There's a lie.
That's not a lie.
There's a bold-faced lie.
Not a lie.
Hope you true.
When was the last time... That's not nice to say.
Okay.
I'm glad your mom watching.
Good. Hope you choke.
Next thing you'll say, hope I die too.
That's you. I
Totally.
would never say that.
Listen,
Who will make my food? Shoot. What's wrong with you?
nobody no more because you're being wasteful.
That's crazy. Yeah, I'm full. I don't know.
You know inflation went up. You gotta eat that shit.
I hate it. I hate it. I don't know why I'm still stuffing my face.
Cause it's in the plate and you see it. You do that shit all the time.
Yeah, you're probably right. You're probably right. I see it. I'm gonna eat it.
You always full.
Yep.
Then because it's in front of you, you won't eat it.
Yep.
Then you gonna sit down and die.
Yep.
I can't breathe.
That sound about right.
I
That sound about right.
can't breathe.
Oh, my belly.
Like this. I gotta digest my food up.
Okay, we got the point. Okay.
I wish they could see you live. We should go live, yo. Next Friday, we should go live. So I can show them how you eating, how you get down. You're not gonna even say, we are air. You go. Yo, I'm so funny.
You know, I'm laughing.
Chef and Chef is laughing too.
Ain't not when I'm laughing.
It's just you.
It's just you. This was banging. This was the best roti you ever made. You put your foot in it.
Yep, always.
Anything else you want to say to our subscribers? Besides, make it!
When you guys watch our videos, bring a friend, or auntie, uncle, family member, so they can watch us too, and they can make great recipes. Some of them are quick and easy. Making faces.
No. What face?
Alright, guys, and thank you for always hanging out with us, chowing down, eating. All right, let me go. I talking too much, and Chef Trini already need to go to his bed. All right.
There you go, with your stale joke. Your joke's stale as shit.
You're such a hater.
Somebody need to Will Smith you. Oh, wait, my bad. Chris Rock you. Somebody need to Chris Rock you with your stale jokes.
I'm crazy.
Leave my wife's name out your mouth.
Poor guy.
Guys, we hope you liked this video. We hope you try our recipes. And that's it. And we are out!
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, we just finished our mukbang with eating our curry and Channa and roti. And just like I told you guys, Chef Trini was going to eat and knock out. Not even digest his food. I'll show you the plates and everything. Y'all see this? Just finished eating. And like I told you guys, look at Chef Trini. Didn't even digest his food. Y'all see a little bit of drool inside his lip?
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?